How would you like to never mow your lawn again, never annoy your neighbors, and save a ton of money on your lawn service? Well, as we speak, I'm currently mowing my lawn. This is the first video in a series of smart home innovations. As a luxury custom builder, we install high-end innovations in our homes every day. This little guy, not this one, is like a Roomba for your yard. With the press of a button, it's on its way. Number 1, perfect maintenance-free lawns. Curb appeal can have a significant increase or decrease on your home's value. A luxury custom home is expected to have a beautiful yard 365 days a year. And with the Husqvarna Automower, that can be a reality. Number 2, it's cost effective. How many times have you hired a landscaping company only to be disappointed by their level of service? The Automower will pay for itself in about 6 months, and all you have to do is hire somebody to weed and edge. Number 3, it's great for the environment. Because it mows every single day, it only cuts at about 1/8 of an inch. This means that the cuttings fall down between the blades of grass and actually nourish your lawn. And because you're not producing lots of yard waste, it's not adding to your local landfill. Number 4, it's easy. It runs on an app, so you have total control of the working hours and you can start and stop it while you're at work or on vacation. Number 5, the best part is it's safe. If it runs into the side of the house, hits something in the yard, or even runs into the kids, it won't hurt them.
It just backs up a little bit, then turns around.
And keeps going.
And keeps going.
That's right. Utilizing the Husqvarna Automower in your yard can save you money, but more importantly, time that can be spent with your family. Stay tuned for the next in our series of smart home innovations, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. I'm Daniel Kennerly with Alair Homes, and living better starts here.